Hi everyone, welcome to Inside School Vlog. In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to link Airtel line to NIN. NIN will simply mean National Identification Number. It's a unique number being given to you by the NIN Commission to help you have access to all your details. So they've actually made it mandatory that all SIMs in the country are to be linked to the NIN. So for you to avoid being blocked, we actually prepared a well-detailed guide on this, on how to link it to your lines. So what we're going to do right now is just go ahead and proceed with the tutorial. So when you go to our website, you see we created a well-detailed guide for you to link NIN to all SIMs card if you're using Glo, Airtel, whatever line you're using. And they are simple, they are easy process you can use. So what you're going to do right now is just go down and click the page contents. On the page contents, you just click how to link NIN to Airtel line. So when you click that, it's going to take you here. So what you're going to do is, if you don't have access to your 11-digit code, what you just do is just to dial *346 hash, and they're going to give you your 11-digit code, your NIN 11-digit code, and it's going to cost you 20 naira. Please know it's going to cost you 20 naira. So when you write it down, for this tutorial, we're going to be doing it online. It's an online process and it's very simple to do. What you just do is just to click this link. Now, when you click this link, it's going to take you to this interface, and it's a very simple process, as I said. Now, before we proceed, I would like you to know that if you've not registered your NIN, you can walk into one of the NIN office closest to you and go ahead and register. We're going to add a link in the description that's going to give you all the lists and addresses of all the NIN centers in the country, in the 36 states. So it's a very simple process. You just walk in there and just register. So for this tutorial, we're going to be doing this right now. What you need to do is just enter your phone number. Very careful not to make any mistake. So just confirm. So you said you can click now, you click send OTP. You wait for them to confirm your information. Just hold on. So while you're waiting, I'm going to say this again. A lot of us are not okay. Yeah, we're going to do this right now. So it's 682161. Now you just click proceed. You just click verify OTP. It's gonna give you some time. It tells you it is verified. Now what you have to do now is for you to enter your 11-digit NIN code. Okay. So I'm gonna have to do this right now because it's a little bit of privacy, and we have to do this. Sorry about that, everyone. So you just enter your NIN code. When you're done, just click I accept all terms and conditions. Then you click proceed. The window is going to load and it tells you, thank you, NIN has been submitted successfully. Okay, so now that you've done that, it's very simple as ABCD. So what I want to say is this: if you're having any difficulties, you can go to your NIN registration center and fix it. So, but the process is as simple as ABCD, as you're seeing. So, thank you. That's all to it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and kindly click the notification bell if you're viewing this video on YouTube, so you'll be the first to know when we drop any videos like this.